Hi, my name is Michele Hayward. I'm a realtor and property manager for Legacy Realty and Management. And today I'm going to talk to you about what to do if your apartment dryer vent is clogged. Typically, apartments will arrange for a company to come out and clean out those dryer vents, like maybe once a year. However, sometimes I've seen where birds will lay nests in there and they get clogged again. So what you want to do is just notify the leasing office, and they will have the maintenance man or woman come out to unclog. It's a very simple fix. My name is Michele Hayward. I'm a realtor and property manager for Legacy Realty and Management. Thank you for watching.